You can make any panel full screen in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is how you do it. So first, let's start by selecting the panel you want to have full screen by just left-clicking it. As you can see, it now gets a blue border, which shows that you have indeed selected this panel. If you now want to have this panel full screen, you're just going to click the backtick key, and now the panel has been set to full screen. Press the backtick key again to exit it. This works with any panel, just select it by left-clicking it, press the backtick key to enter full screen, and press it again to exit full screen. But if you want to have your preview full screen, there are two options to do so. You can select this preview again by left-clicking it, and then pressing the Shift backtick key will give you a sort of semi-full screen. You still have this bar which shows you where your play is happening, your playthrough. Then press Shift backtick key again if you want to have it completely full screen. With that preview selected, you're going to press the Control Command and backtick key together. And as you can now see, your preview has been put completely full screen. Then again, Control backtick to exit the full screen preview. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.